Hello students, I hope all of you are safe and sound at your home. Today we'll try to learn something in our mathematics, a topic that is called at matrices, which is very easy topic and which is very important also from your board examination point of view. So let us first understand what is a matrix. A matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. Suppose we have a lot of numbers, a large collection of numbers, and we want to analyze the property of that. So it is better to collect those numbers and write those numbers in a rectangular form, and that form a collection of those numbers in rectangular array. We could have any numbers. Suppose we have integers or natural numbers, or we could have the functions also. So this collection is called as the matrix, and the numbers or functions are called the elements or the entries of the matrix. Suppose we take an example. Suppose we always denote a matrix with a capital letter and its elements with small letters. Suppose we take a matrix, suppose we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These all our numbers are natural numbers we have taken. So this is a matrix in which we have 2 rows and 3 columns. This is row 1. We can denote it as R1, and this is row 2. That means row 1 is having the elements 2, 3 and 4, and row 2 is having elements 5, 6 and 7. In this two elements 2 and 5, this is called as column 1, and 3, 6 it is called as column 2, and 4, 7 it is called as column 3. So in this way we have some numbers, suppose from 2 to 7 we have taken, and we have arranged them in a rectangular form. The horizontal numbers are called as the rows and the verticals are known as the columns. Now we will move towards the order of a matrix. Order of a matrix, it is very simple. It is, suppose we have m rows, in general we are talking, and n columns. Okay, then order of the matrix will be, suppose we have matrix A and all the elements we have denoted by Aij, then its order will be m cross n, that is number of rows into number of columns. This is what order of a matrix could be written as number of rows into number of columns. Now what is this element Aij? Aij denotes any element of the matrix A whose ith entry, I means it denotes the row position, and j, it denotes the column position of the matrix. That means in the above example we have taken A as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is having 2 rows and 3 columns. That means its order will be order of matrix A will be equals to 2 cross 3. That is number of rows into number of columns. We can take another example. Suppose we have matrix B and we take it as 1, 2, suppose 4, 7, 3, 8. Now it is having 1, 2, 3. 3 rows and 1 and 2. 2 columns. So its order will be order of matrix B will be equals to 3 cross 2. Now I will tell you the in general how we used to denote a matrix. In general, suppose we have matrix A and we want to denote it as, in this way we try to write it. It is a large collection of numbers. Suppose we have m rows and n columns. So we will write the first number as A11, A12, A13 and so on. We will go up to A1n. Then A21, A22, A23 and so on up to A2n. Similarly, we will go to the last row. It will be AM1, AM2, AM3 up to the last element of this matrix AMN. Now suppose what this A21, what it denotes? It denotes the element at position second row and first column. Suppose we take A13, that means it is an element at position first row and third column. So in this way we used to denote a matrix in general. So today we have learned that what is matrix and its order, and in general how we used to denote a matrix and its elements. Thank you.